Hey, this is James here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial of how to register for an account and join Scratch. Okay, so first you want to go up to here, which is scratch.mit.edu. It's very simple. Even if you don't want to look anything up, you just search for Scratch. Well, I can't even search for Scratch in Google, but if you were to do so, this is what it would look like, Scratch, and you just click here. So it's very simple. All you do is click the top right here, which just says join Scratch. Obviously that's my username and Speedy Thor, so if you want to follow me, feel free to do that. We'll talk about that in a different video, but let's just say user 5000 1000. Nobody's got that one. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Shout out if you want to make stuff on this account. Okay. You choose a birth month and a birth year. They don't want your birthday, so that's cool. Gender male, female, or fill in your own. That's up to you. I'm gonna go with male, and you can be born anywhere. Man, I'd like to be in the Bahamas right now. Anyway, I'll just choose United States. Click next, go with the email address. And this is my junk email address, but feel free if you want to send me a random email, go for it. And then you're done. That's it. So that was a simple tutorial. You say, okay, let's go. The other thing is you do want to confirm your email address. By going to your email address, just clicking the confirm button, that will allow you to share projects with people. If you do this before the first day, it's going to save you some time in the first day of class. So that's it. I am now user 5000 1000, and I hope you enjoyed the video.